Hi, this is a very quick overview on how teachers can find the Jasperactive Installer, or otherwise known as the .msi executable file, to send to their IT team for Jasperactive updates. Here is where you would go. You would simply log in and make sure your role is set to teacher, so you're at your teacher panel. You would find the installer menu item and click that. Once in there, you would go to the complete version column and right click the download option, and depending on which browser you're using, in this case Chrome, you would go to save link as or copy link address and send that to your IT team so that they can then take that file and push that out to your PC lab so that Jasperactive remains up to date. If you do get stuck at any point in time, if you need to, simply email us at help@jasperactive.com, or you can return back to the support page and choose submit a ticket so that our tech team can respond accordingly and assist you. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you very much.